Hello friends, welcome once again on series of learning programming. And in previous session actually we saw how to download code blocks, and in this session I'm going to talk about what to do if that code blocks ID could not detect our compiler. Yeah, what to do there if our code blocks sometimes it do not detect, then actually it creates confusion and havoc for our mind. So what to do? So I'm going to show you that. So let's launch code blocks. So we can see that it is displaying message can find compiler execute in the confused source purpose GNU GCC compiler. It is displaying message, it means it has not detected compiler on our system. We can also make sure that by going settings, compiler, and here already GNU GCC compiler, but if we go to toolchain, here is already path, but if we click auto detect, then it is displaying there it could not auto detect installation. It means it could not detect that GNU GCC compiler being W on our computer. Now what to do if this is the problem? Then we cannot run our computer until unless we give the path and the code blocks detects uh, compiler. So I'm going to solve this problem. How? For that we can do one thing there. Open the browser. So actually one powerful compiler comes for this, and that is TDM GCC compiler. We can see here. Okay, so just don't you can go for this one, or you can also go for this one. I'm just clicking this TDM GCC compiler. Here we can see, let's go to download. As you click download, we can see three downloading options buttons, this one, and the middle one we can see it is for 64 plus 32-bit Ming GW edition, includes GCC, C++, all compiler here. It is also useful for 32-bit as well as 64-bit. So it is very powerful. Just you click this one, it downloads. And here I've already downloaded, so I'm going to uh, a downloads folder, and under download we can see here it is already downloaded TMG64 GCC. You can also do Ming GW compiler, and you can also go for that. So I'm going to install it. Click yes. uh, it is showing us three actions here: create, manage, remove. So create, it creates an installation procedure. So let's go for this one. So which one you want to go for? Just click that one. If you want to go for 32-bit installation, just we have to click this one. If we want to go for this one, Ming GW 64 32-bit installation, we have to go for this. Click next and give the directory here. It is must actually where you are going to install. And better, I recommend you that you install inside C drive of this TDM GCC compiler. Click next, and after that also check out this GDB32 and click add to path. Just make sure that all are checked out. Click install. Now it is going to install our files to C drive. Files are being copied. So we can see at last actually it is installed successfully. Click next and click finish. Now uh, so let's open these code blocks. uh, as usual it says let's go to setting and compiler. There we can see GNGC compiler already there, it's okay. Go to toolchain and here we can see this compiler actually this path it was for Ming W that compiler which comes with code block, but actually compare this code blocks could not it could not detect that. As we click this auto detect, now as I click here auto detect, now it is saying that actually it has already detected installation path of GNU GCC compiler this which we just installed on our system. click OK. As you click OK, then we can say this path is taken by the code blocks, and just it is now ready to go. We can say here. So this is how we can resolve the problem of that message I could not detect MingW compiler on our code blocks. Now it is ready to start programming on this code blocks ID. I hope you liked my this video uh, on actually what to do if code blocks could not detect that compiler. Sometimes it does not detect that, even if you try again and again, then it says that I could not detect, I could not detect. So there is only one solution: download this TDM compiler, install it, and just go to setting and go to compiler and go to this toolchain, and after click auto detect. After installation this TDM compiler, then as you click auto detect, then it says they are auto detected. Click OK, click OK. Now it is ready to start programming. So this is how we can go for the secondary option if primary option is not working. Then I hope you understood actually this video. In next session we will be studying programming in C. So just wait for that, it will be fun. And till then, just stay positive, be happy. Thank you.